Mr. Muhammad Ali has just refused to be inducted into the United States Armed Forces.
Mr. Justice Kevin Connolly.
Not a bleeding heart liberal.
Here, we're only interested in the law.
Ali versus the United States of America.
Oh, the draft dodger.
Well, what I'm doing is legal. White citizens, buy up the draft card, but I'm the bad one.
How can a man, when he is called to serve for his country, say, hell no, I won't go?
I depend upon you to talk to the others.
All rise!
Mr. Ali just doesn't want to fight the white man's war.
So he would fight.
Gentlemen, let's take the vote. I uphold his conviction.
They call us justices 9 scorpions in a bottle.
I want the opinion on my desk, first thing.
But, sir, the case will not write. When he's finished with you, don't come crying to us.
Citizens cannot pick and choose which war they wish to fight.
What on earth has taken hold of you? You're not going to get another vote.
You can cross the line. Put him up.
If this court sends Ali to jail, it is saying there's one law for whites and one law for blacks.